Hello and welcome to Josh's Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up one of these guys. A Bitmain Antminer S9, a Bitcoin miner. Get excited. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need your miner, a power supply unit, and your extension cord, your power cord. So let's start in that order. Alright, let's look at how to put this thing together. So with this power supply unit, which is the Bitmain power supply, which is capable up to 1600 watts of driving the Antminer to its full capacity so that it can actually produce the 14 terahashes. What you notice is it has two sets of 4 connectors and then one each individual connector. I was confused at first and it was hard to find information, but you can plug these in basically in any sequence to any port. On this unit you have 3 cards with 3 ports each, and then one with the single on the main board here. So they'll all get plugged in. So what I do is I just start plugging them in one at a time, sequentially like so. Alright, now we have the power connections made. We're going to take this power cable. What I like to use is a NEMA L620 type. This is a 240 or 220 volt, however you want to express it, power cable that has just the standard, I think they call this a C13 plug, that plugs into the end of the power supply right here. Alright, now we're ready for power. We just need Ethernet. Let's take it upstairs to the mine and plug it in. Lights are on. We are mining Bitcoin, baby. But we're mining Bitcoin for Bitmain, not